Good morning, everybody. Albert Steed here with your daily news roundup. Lovely to be with you today. Got a lot going on, so it'll probably be a pretty quick one. But first, let's start with our salute to our fellow business owners and their employees. We love you, appreciate you, thank you. Let's jump into the news. IT hardware prices. Dell is up 17%. This is from a Computer World article in Bright City. Two, I guess, places this has been sourced. 2 articles. PC and server prices are climbing 15 and 25% across Dell, Lenovo, and HP. And then the other really fun one is RAM prices. RAM prices are up double. So if PCs are up 15 to 25% and RAM is twice as much, then almost all the cost is from RAM. And these are from data centers and the AI folks sucking up lots of hardware, causing price increases. Less supply, more demand, and that's what's going on. Chip lead times have jumped 43%. They're estimating that it's going to continue through 2028. So things are expensive and going to be more expensive. Maybe used computers. Maybe we could stop purposefully making computers obsolete. Microsoft. This couples pretty well with the story from yesterday, which is that Windows 365 prices have dropped by 20%. Not sure where the margin's coming out from there, if hardware is costing more, but there it is. You can get your cloud set up at 20% less. I still like buying hardware. Our news number 2, FBI dismantles W3LL phishing operation. $500 kit that bypasses your multi-factor. They got 17,000 victims. So what does all that mean? So it's an Indonesian hacker group, the Well phishing operation. Criminals could buy a $500 phishing kit that created convincing fake login pages capable of stealing both passwords and MFA. This is happening. This we see a lot. A little bit of social engineering gets you to go to a website that is you've been convinced is your Microsoft site. They ask you to log in. They steal your code. They steal your username. They steal your password. Thus, they steal your Microsoft 365 account. I was told that MFA is no longer bulletproof, and it kind of is true. $500 phishing kit, that's kind of a funny thing because an AI can generate that website in about 2 minutes for $0. So why they would pay $500 for it? Even the criminals don't know what they're doing, I guess. So yeah, they're going to steal your stuff. They're going to ransom it, and you're going to be stuck unless you have a good system for backup and restoration. We have 17,000 people who fell for it. I'll say this, don't get rid of your MFA. It's still better than nothing. Way better than just a password. Anthropic launches Claude for Word, an AI now built into the full Microsoft Office suite. Well, just as Microsoft begins dumping their Copilot AI from Word, Claude begins to integrate it. Still don't know what the value of that is. I guess if you want to chat with your AI right in Word to have it clean up your stuff, I've always thought an AI would be nice for doing like, hey, rearrange this page so that it makes more sense, right? Because you've ever tried arranging stuff in Word, it's a flipping nightmare. But it doesn't do that. Same thing in Excel. Hey, I got all this like data that's in this one row that's not right. Fix it. And it knows what's right because you tell it. But nope, that's not how that works either. Or hey, create this chart for me, and it's like doesn't understand what you're asking. I don't understand what an AI and these tools are good for. I end up just using the AI to build the Word document or the Excel spreadsheet, and well, so anyways, we all know it's good for writing stuff that doesn't sound like it was written by a robot. Actually, it does sound like it's written by a robot. But so that's the story. Claude is a great AI. I always did enjoy it. I am not totally impressed by Claude Code and Claude, what do they call it? Cowork. Amazing tools. See the software I'm writing with. It's amazing. All right, so quick hits. Tax season scam surge. Of course, it's tax season. People are getting their taxes information stolen so people can then open up credit cards and open up mortgages and do all kinds of fun stuff. Remember, guys, the IRS does not contact you by email. It doesn't happen. An Apple Pay phishing scam. A new phishing campaign is sending fake Apple Pay fraud alerts. So if you're getting a fraud alert saying that your Apple Pay account was compromised, probably fake. Don't follow it. Go straight to the Apple website. And just a reminder, if you guys are having trouble with your SharePoint 2013 workflows, it's been deprecated. Microsoft killed it. It now lives in, where did they stick it? Power Automate. So just, I don't know, probably the same tool, just a different name and way to break everything. Well, that's it today. It's a quick one. Got a lot going on. I hope everybody has a great day. I hope it's a blessed day. Appreciate all of you. And we'll see you all again tomorrow. Bye-bye.